Hi there, this is Richard Pearce from Build a Joomla website with a quick Joomla tip. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a PDF document or any other file to your website and link to it. This is a very basic task but something that we still get asked quite a lot, so I thought I'd make this quick video for you. The first step is to log into your administrator section and go to Content, Media Manager. There's every chance that you already have a couple or possibly quite a lot of folders already set up in the left hand side, and so the first step is to create a new section just for these files. I tend to like to create a folder called Docs, which you can do by typing in the name of your folder here and then click Create Folder. You'll see that there is now a new folder listed on the left hand side. By clicking that folder becomes selected, and you can upload your document by clicking the Choose Files button, navigating to the location of your file, and then selecting one or more files. Click Open or whatever your browser says, and then click the Start Upload button. And at that point, your file or files will move from your local computer to your website in the folder that was highlighted, which in this case is the Docs folder. Note that the path to this file is images/docs/ whatever your file name is, so in this case joomla.pdf. So one thing you can do is go to an article, and in this case I'm going to choose a sample article which is just headed Joomla, and create a link using that path. But this isn't really an ideal way of linking to a file because you have to remember that path each time. So although that will work, there is an easier way. And that is to change from this default editor that comes with Joomla to a better editor called JCE. And if you've been around Joomla for not a short time, then you will probably be already familiar with it, as it's one of the extensions that a lot of people install straight away. You can get this from www.joomlacontenteditor.net. Go to their downloads page, it's a free extension. Choose Editor and the version of Joomla that you're using, and then go ahead and download it. Now I've already done that, so the next step is to go to Extensions Manager and install it in the normal way. You can review our free lesson on this in our course called The Basics on how to install an extension if you're a beginner and you've not done this before, but for everyone else I will quickly zip through that process. And this will install the new editor, but it won't enable it. You'll now actually be able to choose between the editor that came with Joomla or this new editor. So I'm just waiting for the installation process to complete. And then there's a couple of ways you can change this. If you want this new editor to be available to everyone who uses your website, then go to Site, Global Configuration, and change default editor from TinyMCE to JCE, and save and close. Alternatively, if you would like everyone else to use the standard editor but just change the default editor for your own account, you could have done that by going to Site, My Profile, and changing the editor here. Right now, as I've made it the default, there's no need for me to change that. So let's close and go back to that article from before and show you an easier way to do it. JCE has many more functions by default, and the link function is found down the bottom. So highlight some text where you want your link to appear, click the link icon, and then go searching for the PDF that was uploaded earlier. And you do that by clicking this button towards the right of the URL box. That opens yet another window, and you'll see in the left hand side the docs folder that was created earlier. Click on that, and then click on the PDF that I uploaded via the Media Manager, and click Insert, and Insert again. And you'll see that a link's been created. I'm just going to go ahead and save this article, go to the front end, and refresh. And you can see now the words that I highlighted. You have a Joomla site is now a link, and clicking that will in fact open the PDF that was uploaded. So that's the process to link to a PDF or any other document that you wish to have on your Joomla site. However, there's a couple of shortcuts to be aware of. JCE actually allows you to upload the document directly within its own interface. You don't have to use the Joomla content editor. If I highlight some more text here and click the link icon again, I could save that step by clicking the Browse button again and navigating to the location where I'd like to upload the document. In this case, I might jump to the sample data folder. And then towards the top right of this window is an icon that looks like a piece of paper with an up arrow on it. You can click that one. Either drag and drop the files into this window or click Browse. Find the file you'd like to upload. Open. Upload. And then just make sure that that file is highlighted. Click Insert and Insert again. And the process is finished. If once again I save that document, refresh the article on the home page, once again this link opens the PDF. So there's a couple of ways of uploading files using the JCE editor. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. My name again is Richard Pearce from Build a Joomla website, and if you'd like to learn more Joomla tips just like this one, head over to www.buildajoomlawebsite.com.